Hey everybody, it's Campfire Trish, and I'm coming at you from my backyard. Well, today it's another beautiful spring day, and I'm going to be doing a quick and easy dinner on the campfire. Hopefully the wind doesn't pick up too much. It's pretty windy. It's that time of year, right? So I'm going to be keeping an eye on that fire, of course, but I think we're going to be just fine. It's going to be a very simple meal that you can do easily, either at home in your oven or on your grill, or right over your campfire like we're going to be doing with a grill top or with just on coals. So it's real simple. We're going to be doing a foil meal, or I'm going to be doing a foil meal, and it's going to be some buttered steak and potatoes. It's going to be delicious, and I'm looking forward to it. Hope you guys are hungry. I know I am. Let's get to it. All right, so let's get these packets made up. So I've got parboiled potatoes, mushrooms, onions, some bacon, some cheese, and Main Squeeze was awesome and got me some steak yesterday that's actually already seasoned, so I don't even have to worry about that. I love these little hacks when we're camping, because that's one less thing I have to worry about, is bringing the seasoning packets or whatnot, however I want to season it. So it's awesome. It's a great thing to use, like I said, when you're camping. And it's even awesomer when you're not camping, because then you have to worry about it. I typically marinate my steaks anyway when I make them, when we make them on the grill. Don't really have a specific recipe, but I have some favorite things that I always tend to use, and then sometimes it's just throw some extra stuff in there as I want. Let me see if I can get this, oops, sorry, steak out. I'm going to cut this into 4 pieces. I have 4 packets I'm going to make. Hopefully my Reynolds Wrap doesn't fly away. Hey, Main Squeeze, do you mind? Sam, do you mind putting something on the Reynolds Wrap for me, please? Just to hold it there. Thanks. Oops. I'm trying to cut through this thing. Probably should have brought a better knife out. Goodness. I'm going to keep that fat because that fat will taste yummy. It'll be flavorful. Hey Sam, do we have any paper towels? Do you mind getting me some, please? All right. All right, so there we go. Now I've got the cats all interested. They're like, ooh, what's going on, Ma? Ha, 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 ha. Is there something for me? Okay, so now I'm gonna get the foil packets made up. Oopsies. Let me just give my hands a little bit of a wipe down. And I'm gonna start by just putting a couple of onions. Let me move this on here maybe. Couple of onions down first, and then I'm going to actually put this. Add some mushrooms. Main Squeeze is not a fan of mushrooms. I am, so this one will definitely be my packet. And then I'm going to put some steak on it, and then I'm going to actually add the potatoes. And if you want to dice them up a little bit further, you can. I just cut them in half. That's probably enough there. And I'm going to add some cheese to the potatoes. And some bacon. Some cheesy bacon potatoes. And oh look. Apparently my pepper shaker had a visitor. But look at these cute little new pepper shaker. I got bird. And salt. Pretty liberal with my salt. Okay. Now I'm just gonna fold this up. Oh, actually, let me add the butter. Can't be forgetting the butter. Just gonna dot it. Right on top. Like I said, now I'm just going to fold this packet right on up. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and make my other 3 packets just the same way. All right, so I've got the 4 foil packets made up, and now we're just going to be putting them directly onto the fire. All right, so we're gonna do about 8 minutes on this side and then flip it over for a couple more minutes after that. I'm gonna go get a thermometer so I can check the meat temperature. We like it about medium rare, so we'll be checking it here and there, but otherwise, we're gonna let it do its thing over top of the fire. Ooh, I hear some sizzling. Main Squeeze is over here playing with the fire and the logs. Oh, it looks good. Are you trying to get less heat? Main Squeeze, Sam? Are you trying to go for less heat?
Yeah, it's a little tall.
A little tall. Nice sizzle. I do like, typically, I like my my steaks on the grill because I like that charredness. So hopefully I won't be disappointed with this. But this actually might be good for, you know, I don't know, anything. You could do chicken this way, you can do pork this way. So it's really easy, very versatile. Woo-wee, it's hot. Kind of moving things around a little bit. We might have trouble flipping that one right there because
You flipping them over?
I was going to. It was going to be a couple more minutes before I did that, but actually this is probably good enough. Might as well, right? That one though is going to be hard, don't you think? Son of a gun. It's a little warm. Do you need
Need the longer one.
Woo! See, my Main Squeeze is Sam's like awesome because he's my fire guy. I'm a wimp. Sometimes I don't think he should be doing what he does. I think he's agreeing right now. So it has been about 8 minutes. We are flipping. And I'll be checking the meat. I have a feeling that some of these meats are almost done. Look at all the juice. We might get a little bit of that charred grilliness. What does beef have to be at for medium rare?
35 is our
Okay, that's not. It's only 79 right now.
Which we like. 145 is medium well.
So we're gonna be keeping an eye on these. Again, they have a little bit longer to go for sure. All right, so we've checked the other smaller steak, and that one was ready. We're checking the bigger. Oh, that one's definitely done. Well, maybe not. Yep, that's good. And let's hope Sam's is done. And yes. No. Well, it's 130. It was 129. What do you need it to be?
135.
Oh, well, you can eat rare, can't you? He gave me a look. But at least mine's done. Yay! We're almost ready
You
to
want me to be
eat.
like my brother?
All right, let's look at this bad boy. Ooh, so you could definitely, actually you can definitely just eat it right off the foil if you want. Here's a fork. I'm taking it out of the foil just so you can just kind of see how it does. Ooh, I like the charredness. Mmm. Oh, don't worry about that. I'm good. It's just the flavor. You guys see that? Look at that charred. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. The cats are like, hey, what do you got over there? We've been fighting him for it this whole entire time. Look at that. Yum. All right, so Sam has his off the fire now too. And I'm going to dig in. I'm going to give a little cut here. It smells really good. And I was worried, let me just show you this meat. I was worried that I wouldn't get that good char that I like, but I did. So it worked. And let's see if we really got medium rare. I think we may have been a little off. It's a little bit over, but it'll still be delicious, I am sure. So let me actually cut a bite that I can eat. And let's see. I'll start maybe with the potato. Little potato. Potato. That's good. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt to it though. Let me try the steak. Here it is. Wow. Oh my gosh. That steak is delicious. Main squeeze just tried a potato. It's hot. He's like, whoo. That steak seasoning is really, really good. And let's try a mushroom. I mean, I love mushrooms. Oh my gosh. Mushrooms are yummy. What do you think about the potatoes, Main Squeeze?
Oh, really go.
The steak? Your steak's better. Yours is a little bit more on the medium rare side. This is another bite of mine. What's your temp?
140 ish.
So, it's delicious. Give it a try. Foil packets on the fire are easy. If you want no cleanup, they can be no cleanup too. So, try it. Let me know if you've ever had the full packet meal before in the comments below. But otherwise, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I think, you know, we're a good year into this now. There went little one. Walked right on through, not paying any attention. She had her debut, right? Or actually, I guess she's had a few debuts, I think. She snuck in a few times. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a comment below. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please do so and ring that bell so you can get those notifications when I do put up new content. Hey, we're going camping. So we'll be getting some more camping videos very soon. But until next time, huh?
A lot more.
A lot more, I know. I think we've got 6 trips planned. And one of them will be next week. When this one actually shows, you guys see it, we'll be camping. But anyway, hope you guys have a great one. And until next time,